start a new lesson in English. Okay? So before we begin the lesson, we will have one short activity. Alright? Have you all seen birds?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name some of the birds?
Parrot.
Wait. From this team, yes. Can you name some of the birds?
Parrot.
Parrot. Sorry? Lion. Is lion a bird?
No.
Give an example for a bird. Bird means that can fly. It flies high in the sky. You see, where do you see the birds? Only in the sky? Butterfly is not a bird. Alright, it is an insect. From that team, name some birds you know. You all have seen birds, right? Yes, there is some birds. Parrot, okay. Crow, very good. Yeah, from your team. Name some birds you know. Yes? Pigeon, very good. Yes, from this team. Peacock. Wow, see? From each team I am getting a word, the name of the birds. From this side? Eagle. Wow, very good. From this side? Sparrow. Give a big hand for all the birds. See, first I picked up this bird, right? So you all gave an example of birds. Alright. Can you please go that side and sit? Yes. Can you, from this team, yeah. Can you identify this bird? It's a parrot. Yes, from your team? This, what is the color of the parrot? Oh, yes. Usually the parrot will be in what color? From that group? Yes, we have seen green parrots a lot. Yes, sir? So in our surroundings, we have seen green parrots a lot. All of you look here. Look here. So here, this kind of parrots, this colorful parrot, where do we usually see? Villages, forest, then in zoos. Yes, have you seen this kind of parrot in zoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Okay, so now this is the parrot type. Now, parrot will tell you something and you have to do accordingly. That what it says, do it accordingly. For example, parrot says, touch your eyes, you have to touch your eyes. Alright? If parrot says, touch your nose, you have to touch your nose. Shall we play this game?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Okay. Now, we will have an activity, a short activity. Okay. Now, parrot says, touch your eyes. Yes. Parrot says, touch your nose. Parrot says, touch your ears. Parrot says, touch your lips. Parrot says, touch your chin. Which is your chin? This is your chin. Parrot says, touch your cheeks. Cheeks. These are your cheeks. Right. Parrot says, stand up. Very good. Parrot says, sit down. Parrot says, cry. Alright. Parrot says, laugh. Okay. Now the parrot says, close your eyes. The parrot says, open your mouth. The parrot says, say ha ha ha. Alright. Okay, now open your eyes. Did you enjoy this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Sketch?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? This is a sketch. ಏನಿದು ಇದು ಏನಿರ್ತಾರೆ? Parrot ಇರ್ತಾರ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ birds ಇರ್ತಾರೆ? Yes. We keep birds in this in the cage. Yes, dear children?
Yes,
Yes. This is the cage. What is this?
Cage.
Cage. All right. You come in. Hold this. Yes. Now I'll show you one more. Yes. Can you see this? Can you identify what it could be? This is a parrot. But where is the parrot? The parrot is in the cage. Where is the parrot?
In the cage.
The parrot is in the cage. Okay, now I have two pictures here. Yes, sir? I have two pictures. So here there is no parrot in this cage. But here there is parrot in the cage. There is a parrot in the cage. Yes, sir? Now, tell me, dear students, here the parrot in this cage, do you think it's happy?
No, ma'am.
Why do you think it's not happy? Yes? It is in the cage. So the parrot, this parrot is not happy because it is in the cage. Why do you say that if the parrot is in the cage, it's not happy? Why do you think so? Okay, I'll show you one more picture. Come this way. Hold this. Okay. I have one more picture. Can you see this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, can anybody tell where is the parrot now?
Outside.
It is outside the cage. So the parrot has come out of the cage. Now, you give this here. Now, see here. Now, which parrot do you think is more happier?
Outside.
The parrot which is outside the cage. Why do you think so? Why do you think so? ಯಾಕೆ ಈಗ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಕೇಜ್ ಇಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ
ಅದು
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ us. All the birds need freedom of flying outside. Yes sir?
Yes,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ತರ ಅವಕ್ಕೂ ಆಚೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕೇಜ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ? ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಊಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೇಜಲ್ಲಿ the parrot will not be happy because parrot ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು? It should come out and ಬೇರೆ parrots ಜೊತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಆಟ ಆಡಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮರಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ it should fly high in the air. ಅದು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಅದರ ನೇಚರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So here in this through this we came to know that we have to give freedom for the birds to fly. We should not. Have you ever seen parrot in the cage? Where have you seen them? If you have seen. Now, dear students, have you ever seen the parrots in the cage? Have you ever seen? Yes. Now, Ruchita, your name is Rishita, right? Now, Rishita, where did you see? Tell it.
ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಂಕಲ್ಲು ಕೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ
Okay. ಆಗ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಅದು ಒಂಥರ
ಬೇಜಾರಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅನಿಸ್ತಂತೆ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಏನೋ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಬೇಜಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿರ್ತಂತೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಅನಿಸಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂಕಲ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಜ್. She saw the uncle carrying parrot in the cage. So she felt the parrot was very sad. Yes, sir? Yes. So, sit down. Has anyone others? ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು? ಎಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಝೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಬಸ್ಸು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಕ್ಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಕೇಜಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್
ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕಿಚ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? Hello, Nanu ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Even I went to Mysore Zoo. There we see this kind of colorful parrots. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವು. Yes. And ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೋಪನೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay. So have you seen? Thank you. Dear students, have you ever seen talking parrots? Talking parrots?
No, ma'am.
Not even in on TV? ಹಾಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾರು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾರು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ? ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಓಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಿಯಾ ಬಾ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಈಗ ಹೇಳು. Now turn to page 40. Yes, 41. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. All right. The Wise Parrot. Let us read. In a quiet village, a rich merchant kept a bright and talkative parrot in a cage of gold. The parrot had a sharp mind and often entertained the merchant with stories and songs. However, deep inside, the bird longed for the open skies and green trees. One day, the merchant decided to travel far away for business. He thought he would do something to please his pet. He walked up to the cage and said, "My beloved parrot, I am about to travel to a far-off land. What can I bring for you from there?" On the page. The parrot replied, "Dear master, you look after my needs so well that I have tasted all the tender fruits and chilies. But I want to taste the joy of flying in the sky. If you really want me to be happy, please let me fly off into the sky." Okay. Aloud, come down here. Yes. All of you listen. Excellent.
The Wise Parrot in a quiet village, a rich
Merchant kept a
bright and
talkative
parrot in a cage
of gold.
The parrot had a sharp mind and
Often entertained
the
merchant
with stories and songs. However, deep inside, the bird
longed for the
open skies and green trees.
very good. Okay. Anybody else? Yes. Who is he? He is a merchant. Merchant ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು? Merchant ಅಂದ್ರೆ he is a bird. See, parrot is a bird. Okay na? Merchant is a businessman. Businessman. He sells and buys goods. Okay. So merchant ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಏನೇನು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ in a market? What do you see in a market? You say, what do you see in the market? Vegetables. Yes, what do you see in the market?
Fruits.
You see fruits. Yes, what do you see in the market? Market ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? Birds ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay. So, wait. Now tell me, dear students. You tell me. You see fruits in the market, right? Who is selling the fruits?
Merchant.
Yes, he is a fruit merchant. So here he sells fruits. So ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿ White ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Quiet ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Rich merchant. Rich ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Rich ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Yes. ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ. ರಿಚ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್. ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So talkative parrot in a cage of gold. He had a talkative parrot. Talkative ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಾತಾಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಾತಾಡುವಂತ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಯಾರು? ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಟಾಕಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಾತಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ students, I have some of the words that describes three things. One is merchant, village, and parrot. Now you will come and pick these words and you have to go and stand accordingly in that position. Okay. For example, look here. This is the word kind. So kind here, the word kind describes who was kind in the lesson? Yes. Kind. What is the meaning of kind? Daye. Daye ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಯಾರು? Merchant. So I go with the merchant. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬಂದು you have to go and read and you have to pick it up and stand there. Okay. So now one by one come. ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಮೊದಲು? ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಮೊದಲು? ಬನ್ನಿ, you come. Yes. Kind and ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Next you do. This is the word quiet. Say quiet. Now, what is the spell out?
Q-U-I-E-T.
Quiet. Quiet means without noise. So now tell me this describes what here? Merchant, village or parrot? Village. Yes, go and stand there. Very good. Yes, you come. Pick any word. Yes, read out.
Green.
Green.
And green.
So the word green describes the color of a parrot. So where do you want to stand?
Parrot.
Near the parrot. Yes. Next, from this side. There you come. Yes, read out. Read aloud.
R-I-C-H.
Rich. It describes who? Near the in front of the merchant. Yes. Stand there. Yes, from this side. Yes, please. Pick any word. Wait, after this. Yes. What is the word that you have picked? Traveler. Repeat. Ready? You should stand silently there. Traveler. Show them. Traveler. See? Okay. Come on, read it aloud.
R-A-V-E-L-L-E-R.
Traveler. Say. Traveler. Very good. So the word traveler describes who was traveling from one place to one place. Merchant. Where do you want to stand? Near the merchant. Anybody else? Yes. You pick the word. Yes. She has picked the word wise. What is spelling for wise?
W-I-S-E.
Wise. Show them. What is spelling for wise? Wise means intelligent. Wise means intelligent. The word wise describes whom? Parrot. Where you go and stand? Yes. You are the parrot. Yes. You come. Pick any word. Stand there. Okay. See? What is the word you have picked? Louder. Talkative. Ready? Talkative. Ready? Did you see the word talkative?
Yes, ma'am.
She read it aloud. What is the spelling for talkative? Bright. Repeat.
Bright.
What is the spelling for bright?
B-R-I-G-H-T.
What is the meaning of bright? Bright means which is very colorful. Yes? So, colorful and intelligent also. So, now tell me what the spelling for bright?
B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright.
So, the word bright describes who? Here, who was bright? Parrot. Where do you go and stand? Yes? Yes, near the parrot. Okay. So, now let us see. See, the word green also describes village. Alright? So, the green word describes both parrot and as well as village. So, now tell me the words. All of you show the words you have. Okay, now tell me the words that describe merchant. Then read. All of you together. Traveler. The merchant was rich and he was a traveler. The merchant was a traveler and he was very rich. Now, where did the merchant live? The merchant lived in a quiet village. Where did the merchant live? Quiet village. Yes. Now, here the parrot is bright, talkative, green and wise. Let's together. Parrot was bright, talkative, green and wise. Yes, sir? Okay, so these are the words we use to describe the animals or the people. Let us see what you know about them. See, I have given you. Show me the good and bad cards you have got now. Very good. You have got both good and bad cards. Now keep it on the table. Keep both the things on the table. Yes. Now I'll read off the statements. You have to decide, think and tell whether it is good or bad. Okay, shall we do this? Yes. Growing more trees is good or bad?
Good.
Show me the card. Good. Yes, very good. So we have to grow more trees. Yes? Yes. We should give some water to the birds in summer.
Good.
Alright. Do not keep the birds in cage. Keep the birds in cage.
Bad.
Okay. Plant more trees. We need to plant more trees. Good or bad? Good. Very good. We need to throw stones at birds and animals.
Bad.
We need to throw stones at birds. Yes. We should let birds fly freely.
Good.
We should let birds fly freely. Good. Happiness comes from freedom. Yes, we have to allow the birds freely and there comes the happiness. Okay. Down. We need to take care of birds properly even if we have them as pets. Good or bad? Yes? Bad. This is the last one. Okay, dear students. Today we came to know that we should always give freedom for the birds to fly. Okay. Now, what is the homework for tomorrow? What is the homework for tomorrow? Would you like to draw a beautiful picture of a bird that is a parrot and color it? Will you draw a parrot and color it? Okay, today you are going home and you have to draw the picture of a parrot and color it. How beautifully you color that and see it tomorrow. Shall we?